That, well, let's shift focus to the commodity markets now. Manisha Gupta is here to give us a lowdown on all that's happening there. Manisha, over to you.
Thank you so much for that. I'm looking at the metals as a sector where we have seen a second straight day of decline coming in, and majorly because you have the US dollar index, which is trading at a 20-year highs. So everything that is in metals is trading in the negative right now. The global industrial activity, as we have seen, has slowed down for many of the countries and continues to show that weaker number here is weighing on. And that is the big data event that we are waiting for. The US Fed interest hike is awaited as of now. In another 12 to 18 hours is what the markets would be reacting to that as well. 75 basis points has been factored in, but it is really about the guidance that we will hear going forward is what is weighing onto the metals there. And it's not just that one central bank. We have seen Sweden raise interest rates by a full 100 basis points. We've seen those statements come in from ECB that they are looking to hike interest rates even further. You have Bank of England, Norway, Switzerland, Japan, all of those monetary policy meetings also slated in this week itself. So it is going to be a roller coaster of a day or a week as we move forward onto that one there. When you look at the silver prices, we saw 2% of a decline in the overnight market, some more decline coming in on your screens right now. The gold prices are trading at a 29-month lows. We've seen a $1,650 per ounce of a low onto that one as well. And the decline has just about continued in the industrial metal space. Copper prices are trading at a 2-week low, some more decline coming in right now. For copper, essentially, it also is about the inventories which have continued to rise for a second straight day. And also when you look at the on-ground delivery mark, that has now gone down as well. In late August, 50% of stuff that was lying on LME warehouses for marked for delivery, which has gone down to 11% now. So that tells you that the on-ground demand also seems to be petering out. And then you have aluminum, which is trading at a 17-month lows, continues to see a decline right now as well. Zinc is trading at a 2-month lows already, some more decline coming in on your screens there. And even as there are statements from Europe suggesting that nearly 50% of capacity in Europe in sense of aluminum and zinc is offline right now. Even then, the markets are not finding demand enough to see support from those kind of fundamentals. The Chinese demand has continued to decline for the month of August. That has been weighing onto the prices. But the Chinese COVID restriction seems to be going off, and that perhaps could be a bit of a support. But that would be seen only after the US Fed meeting is done and dusted with. In the meanwhile, take a look at the prices on how they have been on a week-on-week basis ahead of the US Fed meeting. We've seen 2 to 3% of a decline come in for gold and silver, and that's exactly the kind of decline that we have seen for industrial metals as well. Major sharp falls coming in for iron ore, but apart from that, 0.5 to 2.5% of a decline for the rest of the metal prices also.
Okay, thanks a lot, Manisha, for that. Let's slip into a quick break. On the other side, our special segment